Looks like paradise to me.
It has all the essentials for shrews to thrive. There's even a burrow at the ready.
And look! For your collection. See? Lots of shells. Now let's check out the burrow.
Uh-oh. Someone already lives there.
They're already friends. And the new shrew says there's lots of burrows on the island. You're very welcome. We're glad you moved too. You'll be much safer here.
Now mission accomplished. Homeward bound, Rangers!